Hello, everyone out there in the world. My name is Maka the American. You can tell that I am American because I spelled American wrong. And it's Christmas time. It's finally December, which is weird because it feels like it was just the beginning of the year, like 3 days ago. So that means we're into holiday looks, which are always fun if you have advanced makeup skills. But if you don't, you're sitting there desperately trying to follow a 16 billion step routine to make yourself look flawless for a party. So I have decided to do a series, but instead of doing all advanced looks, it's going to be every week one look of a different level. So the first 2 weeks is going to be just general, like, easy-going looks. They're going to be like 7 steps or less, nothing too difficult, and that's going to be for the entire face. Obviously, you can always add steps if you want to add something to a makeup look. The next thing will be intermediate, which will be that 7 to kind of 13 steps. And then finally, there will be one look as well that will be advanced, which will be all of the steps to do like a full face of makeup. Let's get into it. I will stop talking now. that was simple. It's probably the quickest video I've ever filmed, I think. You can do whatever you want with this. Build off of it at your own will. And I will be back next week to film another quick, easy tutorial for you that you can do for Christmas or New Year's in under 10 minutes. I will see you guys possibly maybe in the next video.